So I'm not wasting my time learning Python, right? Let's just get that out of the way, because in my head, I'm like, I should just let ChatGPT do all this for me. And this is ridiculous. What am I doing? There's value in learning how this stuff works, right?
It's the same as, let's say that you got out of network engineering and you got into something else. There's never just understanding how the internet works makes me when I'm working on a computer and something stops working, I immediately, all right, let me go try pinging the IP address. Okay, I can ping the IP address. All right, let me go ping the FQDN. Okay, I can ping that. So DNS is working. All right, I've got some other problem. Now, that is not even me doing my job. That is my wife telling me that the internet's down. Yeah, and I got to go and then figure it out. Oh, okay, come to find out, it's just the web page she's going to, or whatever. I don't think there's anything wrong with starting at the basics of Python either, because those individual pieces add up to you understanding what's possible and what's not possible. The worst experience I ever had was I had a boss that wanted me to write some scripts for him, but he had never done any scripting. So all of the things he was asking for were either impossible or something that I was certainly not being paid enough to do. He was wanting he was wanting essentially this thing to be AI and to solve the world's problems, when I'm like, that's not how it works. If garbage goes in, you're going to get garbage out. And I'm like, this script is not going to know what this switch is that the person isn't even logged into. If they're putting in a TE interface and it only has GIGI interfaces, it's going to try to drop that into the config. So stuff like that you need to understand it. Even if you're not going to be the coder, there's something beneficial in understanding under the covers, at least the basics of it. Like, I don't know anything about cars, and I have suffered as a result.